Oh shit.
Right lane must have broke out.
Left lane one. Well, I got one arm hurt. God already.
Look at your
I felt Funky Town.
Look at him come in.
Huh? What happened? Hey! You. What happened, man? Did you win?
I bet with John Boy car that I tried to buy from you.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, John Boy wouldn't even sell it to me.
Damn. So you was trying to buy John Boy car?
Yeah. That's John Boy car.
The red and white Fender.
I tried to get him 5. He wanted 6. I ain't gonna let him fuck me.
Yeah.
I tried to get John Boy 5.
And he wanted 6.
For that rack. I mean, for that bitch.
Yeah. That's my boy, Ned. We got Murder in here, y'all. Murder, you doing all right? We got Murder in here. He doing all right. Look like he got a little.
Check it, man.
Hey,
Say, look at
y'all got a lot of hunters over there.
Hey, put that shit up and check this shit, nigga.
Damn, I got some money.
Hey, I got it from Yello.
Yo, they need some more.
No, check it, man, one by one.
Uh-oh.
My real bait, you real bait.
Hey, man, that's real. That's some real shit. I bet he ain't got no more honey. I bet he ain't got no more.
Hey, is this something? How much you want to bet? How much you want to bet?
I bet he got some 10. I bet he got hundreds and 20. Hey, better hundred. Hey, he got 650. Maybe he got 10. I bet he got 600. Maybe he got at least 310. Hey, watch this, man. Hey, watch this.
He talking about Betty at least got.
I bet he got.
Betty at least got 310.
Better hundred. Scared motherfucker. What's wrong?
What's wrong with his hand?
Hey. Look at this goddamn phone case, dog. What's wrong with this motherfucker? Ain't it light up? Look at this shit, man. Here, let me see it right quick. Look at this shit, dog. Motherfucker phone case. He got that bitch out the bubblegum machine, man. Hey, look at this shit. What color is the phone, man? Look at this shit, dog. What the fuck is this, man? Hey, this a grown ass man with some shit like this, man. What the fuck is wrong with that, man? Hey, look at
that, man.
This shit light up. Hey, he a male strip at night, dog. Hey, he a male strip at night. He a motherfucking male breast cancer. Hey, what time the show start tonight? Hey, you got some ones. Hey, you got some ones.
Yeah, I got about 8. I got 8
Hey, give me some ones, motherfucker. Hey, look at him, man.
I got a question for you.
9:15, motherfucker.
Hey, it's fast.
I got a question for you.
That's the breast cancer, man.
Yeah.
Y'all heard that? Hey, man, I support it too.
Yeah, Funky Town support breast cancer, y'all.
Hey, look at my phone. Fuck all that. Hey, man.
Yeah, he on it. Yeah. That's breast cancer awareness, man. Yeah.
You don't know
Funky Town supporting breast cancer.
You don't know how to look good and rock it?
Yeah.
You don't know how to look good and rock it at the same
My
time?
boy support breast cancer, man.
I support breast cancer.
Yeah.
Hey, hey, Tyrone.
Yeah.
Tyrone.
Look out. Hey. I know they.
Stay in your lane.
Yeah, y'all just give me the, I don't know how to, you can't put the time stamp now because it ain't gonna work. Look out, what's up with it, man? Got my boy in the building, y'all. Boom! How you doing, mister? Okay. I was trying to get in the 7-0, but they wouldn't let me. They wouldn't let me. I was trying to run a 7-0 for you, but they wouldn't let me. They wouldn't let me. They said they already did the draw.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I was over there eating tacos and corn and shit. Yeah. It don't matter, I'm all right. Cause if you let me. Hey, man, we got Nunu in the building. Oh, shit. Nunu talking about running over people. I'm gonna come back to him. Running over people. Look out, I got my boy Allen in here, man.
We gonna send them. Once again, we want to thank our sponsors.
We want to thank them, guys. We want to thank our sponsors, Sticky Pickle, with that Sticky Pickle. That's right,
Somebody
guys.
called out in the room. Andy, you been called out. Oh boy, Andy Rose said he'll be on property tomorrow. You can get all you want. The red wagon is now black wagon. Andy Rose said, Coach, I'll be here tomorrow to take on all
See Breezy.
First round.
Yeah, Nunu race RC cars.
Anybody can get it tomorrow. First round, 2 Street, Andy Rose.
All my people that's on TikTok, y'all head over here to my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing. Yeah, y'all head over here to Look Out Racing. So I could,
In barbershop, Asbury and Fisher.
head over here to Look Out Racing.
Loyalty contracting. And
Look Out Racing's on YouTube. Make sure y'all come on over here. That Camaro clean.
Split.
All right, get over here, TikTokers. Look Out Racing. It's in HD, showing way better anyway. Look out, look out.
And we also like
I need to get a picture of this car.
Sponsor the Daily Driver class, Danny Duckworth and his count.
That bitch is
Loyalty
clean.
Contracting and Restoration, 7-0 class, sponsored by the Steph Code Count. And King of 28s, sponsored by Bartello Performance. Thank you, sponsors. Thank you. Hell yeah.
If you let me.